Right now, your finance sentiment data shows a significant spike in sentiment at plus 0.75, a notable uptick compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It signals a strong positive shift in market sentiment that you won't want to ignore. Combine that with a momentum score of plus 0.43 and 19 semantic clusters, and you have a treasure trove of insights. When you call our API, it returns not just sentiment scores, but the underlying semantic clusters driving that sentiment, giving you a clearer picture of market forces at play. Imagine using this to refine your trading algorithms. By integrating real-time sentiment data, you can adjust your strategies on the fly based on market psychology. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for more details.